In this video, I'll show you how to track wallets on Axiom Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. And if you use my link, you'll get a 10% discount on your trading fees for life. After you've clicked on that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to go right over here and click on Start Trading. Make sure keys shows up right over here under the invite code. That's going to make sure you get the discount. Sign up with your email, Gmail, or Phantom Wallet. And after you've done that, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. If you're not already using Axiom Pro, it's by far the best trading platform for meme coins on the market right now. It offers a ton of free tools that you would otherwise need to pay for if you're using another exchange such as BullX Photon. For example, it offers the free wallet tracker, Twitter tracker, P&L tracker, some of the fastest fills on the market, and it's the only platform that actually pays you back in Solana for trading under the rewards tab right here. So now in order to track wallets in your Axiom Pro account, we're going to go right over here to the top and click on tracker. And as you can see here is my wallet tracker. And in order to track wallets, I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can find wallets to track. So you're going to go right over here to your wallet manager and click on that. And right here is where you add a wallet. Now, a good place to start to find wallets to track is right over here at colescan.io. You're going to come to a page that looks like this. Click on leaderboard. And on Colescan, it'll actually show you the top traders daily, weekly, and monthly. So let's say I wanted to track Cultures right here. I'll just go right next to his name, click on this wallet. And as you can see it copied. Go back into Axiom, paste the wallet in right over here, copy his name, and you can change the emoji next to his name so you recognize him when he pops up. For example, if I choose the exclamation marks, click add wallet, now he's added to my wallet tracker. And right here, you can turn the notifications on and off for him. Another place to find good wallets to track. If you go to any coin, let's find a high market cap coin, for example, this one. And if we go over here to top traders, we can find the traders with the highest P&L for that coin. For example, this guy had the highest P&L. We can just go right over here, click on his wallet, and this is going to pull up his trading history as well as his 30-day P&L. You can click on his max. This guy's okay, but let's find a better one. Let's go to the second guy. Worse. Let's find another coin. Let's check out this one here. Again, go to top traders, find the traders with the highest P&Ls. We're already tracking him. This is the developer with the hat. Let's check this guy out. Next guy. Okay, so this is a pretty good trader. He's made about 50K in the last 30 days. If we wanted to track him, we just go right over here to his wallet. We can rename him to whatever we want. So for example, this was for the Sandy token. So we can just say top trader. Go right over here to the star, click on it to track him. You can change the emoji right next to his name. So find something that'll remind you of who he is. Now, every time he makes a trade, he'll also show up here on our tracked wallets. And if you go back to live trades, these are all the trades that are taking place right now. In your wallet manager, you can also import and export. And I'll actually drop the list of all of the wallets that I track down below in the description. If you want it, you can get it completely free. Just go right over here after to import, paste in all the wallet addresses, click on import, and you should have all the wallets that I have. Now, if you're trading, for example, in Pulse, we're going to go right down here and click on the wallet tracker. This will pop up. You can drag it wherever you want. You can actually go right over here and pin it to the right. So it's right there. You can adjust the size right here. But if that takes up too much room, you can just put it down right here in the bottom right-hand corner. And anytime one of the tracked wallets makes a trade, it'll show up right over here. And you can just click on the token to see what they got. So you can do your research, buy in or not. Another thing you can do with your tracked wallets, you go right over here to the settings icon. You can turn on open toast alerts on in new tab. You can pause live feed on hover or turn that off. Toast duration, which means how long it's going to show up for. I keep that short. And you can also turn on the sound alerts, and you can adjust the volume of the alerts right here. So now anytime one of your tracked wallets that you follow, that you have alerts turned on for, makes a trade, it'll notify you. Also, if you go right down here to the bottom to your notification settings, click on that. Right here, you can turn on display notifications and transaction sound. I want that quiet. You can modify the buy sound and the sell sound right here by clicking on it and picking whatever option you want. You can also add customs. Click on done. Now, for example, if turn on notifications for this guy, every time he makes a trade, it should show up right here. Just like that. So yeah, that's basically it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.